Hello, today I am going to talk a little about yoga. So watch and listen. Yoga is a type of exercise. Exercise, but not like that. You don't run. No. You stretch. Stretch. You stretch your different limbs and body. Yoga makes you strong. Strong. And flexible. Flexible, so you can touch your toes. When you do yoga, your balance improves. Your balance, so you do not fall. Fall like that. Yoga also can help you feel happier. Happier. And help your heart. Your heart. Yoga can improve your heart health and help you sleep. Sleep better. Now I am going to show you some of my favorite yoga moves. The first yoga move is the mountain pose. Mountain pose. This looks easy, and it is easy. You need to stand up tall with your back, and spine straight, and then bring your feet together and your arms down by your sides like that, and then you breathe in through your nose and out your mouth slowly. When you breathe in your nose, stretch up tall. Stretch up really tall and straighten your back. And then when you breathe out your mouth, relax. This pose, the mountain pose, is very good for your posture. The way you stand. It can help you stand taller. The next yoga pose I like is this, the warrior pose. The warrior pose. From the mountain pose, you move your feet apart. You move your feet apart like that. And bend your front knee. Then you turn your other foot in. You breathe in your nose, and when you breathe out your mouth, you turn your torso. You turn your torso like that and lift up your arms to the sky. The warrior pose is very good for your strength and stability, your balance, and it stretches out your hips and your thighs. The third yoga pose I like to do is the downward dog. The downward dog. From the mountain pose, you bend your torso over and you put your hands onto the floor, and then you straighten your legs straight and lift up your bum, and if you can, you push down your heels down to touch the floor, and then you need to stay in this position, so this pose, for 10 breaths. That's 1. 10. This yoga pose is good to rest. To rest. Not sleep. No. Only rest and recover strength. And it helps to straighten your back and spine. And the fourth and final yoga pose I am going to show you is the corpse pose. This is the corpse pose. This is my favorite because it is so easy. You need to lie down on the ground on your back, and you relax. You put your arms down onto the ground at your side, like so, and you spread your legs apart and flat, and you close your eyes and breathe. You do this yoga pose at the end of your yoga session, and you need to do the corpse pose for roughly 5 to 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes, and it is important to keep your mind focused on relaxing your body. But this pose is my favorite because it does not hurt your joints and muscles. It relaxes your entire body. So these are my 4 favorite yoga poses: the mountain pose, the warrior pose, the downward dog, and the corpse pose. If you like other yoga poses, comment below and tell us. So, thank you for watching and for listening, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.